Behind Yellowstone's beauty lies a terrifying force. For thousands of years, lava has been flowing from the Earth's interior. In 2025, scientists warned of the possibility of a new lava eruption. The question is, how great a threat does this pose to the world? Yellowstone's last lava eruption occurred 70,000 years ago. Viscous rhyolitic lava erupted from a fissure, forming thick flows hundreds of meters high. Although not a super eruption, this lava flow was enough to close the valley and create the Yellowstone landscape we see today. Yellowstone's lava is different from Hawaii's. The lava here is very viscous, rich in silica, difficult to flow, and tends to clog eruption paths. As a result, gas pressure builds up and can trigger explosive eruptions. Even when it does flow, Yellowstone's lava moves slowly, but its volume is incredibly large. Underneath Yellowstone are two magma reservoirs. A shallow reservoir, 5 to 15 kilometers deep, containing 10 to 30% molten magma. A deep reservoir, 20 to 50 kilometers deep, contains much larger volumes. If pressure increases, this magma could rise to the surface, forming new lava flows. Data from 2025 shows the movement of hot fluids in several parts of the caldera. The two most vulnerable areas are Sour Creek Dome, northeast of the caldera, and Mallard Lake Dome, southwest of it. Here, the ground frequently rises and falls due to pressure from below. If a new fissure forms, lava could emerge at these points. While frightening, a lava eruption is far more likely than a supereruption. A Yellowstone supereruption has a 1 in 730,000 chance per year, but a lava flow could emerge at any time in the next 1,000 years, and that's far more realistic than a doomsday scenario. Yellowstone is a natural masterpiece and a reminder that our planet is always alive. Lava may flow again someday, but for now it remains dormant. Until then, we can only observe, learn, and prepare. Scientists have discovered a hidden lid that keeps the vast magma reservoir beneath the Yellowstone supervolcano contained. Years, scientists have suspected that a mysterious chamber beneath the northeastern part of the Yellowstone caldera might hold molten rock. How deep the reservoir is, or how much magma it holds, remains a matter of debate. But scientists say they have discovered a hidden magma layer above this reservoir that is helping to stop the supervolcano from erupting. There have long been questions about when Yellowstone's vast volcanic system will erupt. Yellowstone has historically erupted every 600,000 years or so, but it has been dormant for 630,000 years, making it 30,000 years overdue. But this layer, which extends between 3.5 and 4 kilometers, 2.2 and 2.5 miles, below the Earth's surface, allows the volcano to breathe, according to scientists. They say new models suggest the lid regularly releases small bursts of gas that keep internal pressure stable and contain eruptions. Based on the timing of previous eruptions, scientists at the United States Geological Survey estimate the risk of a Yellowstone supereruption is about 0.00014% per year. If enough air is trapped in the supervolcano's throat, scientists believe a catastrophic explosion could occur. Today, Yellowstone showed a new face. From deep within the Earth, a mysterious eruption called black diamond lava emerged. This rare phenomenon raises the question, what is really happening beneath Yellowstone? Black diamond lava is the term for thick, black magma, rich in crystals and minerals. It forms when thick rhyolitic magma mixes with hot basaltic magma. The result, a hard, black lava flow that sparkles like a gemstone. Yellowstone has experienced 3 supereruptions. But today, it wasn't a supereruption, but a unique lava eruption. Scientists had warned that Yellowstone's magma reserves could mix and produce new lava, and now their predictions have been confirmed. Today's Black Diamond eruption began from a fissure in the eastern part of the caldera. Thick black lava slowly poured out, covering forests and grasslands. While not as fast as a pyroclastic flow, it reached over 1,000 degrees Celsius, enough heat to incinerate anything in its path. The impact of today's eruption was immediate. The Yellowstone ecosystem was crippled, thousands of wildlife were trapped, and forests were burned. Tourists had to undergo emergency evacuations. Transportation routes to Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho were crippled. The government declared a national emergency. Scientists fear that this lava flow could pave the way for a more devastating eruption. According to the latest report from the U.S. Geological Survey, the Yellowstone volcano remains at normal. There are no signs of a major eruption. However, in August alone, 94 small earthquakes were recorded. The largest reached magnitude 3.7, located 15 miles northeast of West Yellowstone, Montana. Furthermore, the ground in some areas rose by about 0.5 inches, not due to magma churning, but due to snowmelt and seasonal cycles. But there was a surprise. On August 12, 2025, at 8:27 p.m., a webcam captured a hydrothermal eruption from Black Diamond Pool in Biscuit Basin. This eruption wasn't lava, but rather steam and hot material suddenly shot into the air. Although small, this event reminds us that Yellowstone is full of underground energy pockets that could explode at any moment without warning. Besides geothermal activity, there are serious environmental issues. Several rivers, like the Madison, Firehole, and Gibbon, are closed to fishing. The reason? Water temperatures are too hot and flows too low, dangerous for the trout that live there. Meanwhile, social media was abuzz with a viral video showing a mass animal escape from Yellowstone. In fact, it was fake. The National Park Service assures that the animals are continuing their normal activities. There is no animal exodus.